Hello, welcome back to Davos Technology YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the latest Windows Server 2025 on VMware Workstation. Whether you're learning virtualization or you are testing a new server environment, this guide will walk you through the entire process. So let's dive in. The first step is to go to Google, the Windows Server 2025 ISO. You click the first one, Windows Server 2025 from the Microsoft Evaluation Center. Then you scroll down a bit, download the ISO. You fill in the details here and you click download. So having downloaded that, you will know the directory where you downloaded it on your local machine. You come to your VMware Workstation and you create a new virtual machine. So you click create a new virtual machine. Here you select typical, which is the recommended. Next, you can either install disk image from here. You can just navigate to your directory, or you install the operating system later. So I'm picking I will install the operating system later. Click next. You ensure that the Microsoft Windows is checked. Yeah, the latest version we have here is Windows Server 2022. You pick that, then you click next. Then you will name your virtual machine. I'll name my virtual machine. So that's the name I want to give my virtual machine. You can give your virtual machine any name of your choice. Then you go to the location where you want to install it here. In my own case, I want to install my virtual machine in this directory. You make a new folder. You name it appropriately. So you can give it any name of your choice. So make sure that same is selected. Then you click OK. So the directory where you are saving your Windows Server is, in this case, is here. Then you click next. In this case, I'm storing my virtual machine as a single file using a 60 GB maximum disk size. So I click next. That's this size I want to allocate. Click next. Customize hardware. I will pick a specific virtual network which I had created. You can watch a video on how to create virtual networks. So you go to new CD here, then you navigate to your ISO, you browse to your ISO. I have my ISO here under downloads. Click open. So your ISO has been imported to use the ISO image file. Click close, then click finish. Yes, the virtual machine has been created now, but it has not been installed. So the first thing you do is you edit virtual machine setting. You click that. That's very important. Then you go to options, advanced. You ensure you select BIOS and not UEFI. So you click OK. This will ensure that your virtual machine is powered on when you click power on. Select the language setting, language to install, English, time and currency format, English. That's my choice. You can pick any language for your keyboard, but I'm using US as well. I want to install Windows Server. It's not that I want to repair my CV, so I'll select install Windows Server, then I will agree to everything. If you don't select this next button will be grayed out. So this has to be selected for this to be active. So you click next. Select Windows Server 2025 Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience. You can select that. You accept. Click next. Yeah, click install. So the installation has started. So you have to wait until this is completed before you proceed. This is 10% complete, but it's going to 100, and it will be completed before the installation can be completed. Now that the installation is complete, you have to put in a strong administrative password. Repeat the password, then you click finish. So press Ctrl Delete to unlock. So this is how to press Ctrl Alt Delete in VMware Workstation. Then you input your password. Accept. Yes, congratulations. You successfully installed Windows Server 2025 on VMware Workstation. You are now ready to explore the latest features and configure the server for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question or topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.